In ancient China, during the reign of the imperial court, there lived a noble girl named Lian. She secretly loved Crown Prince Wei, but the prince loved power more than love. To secure his throne, he married the general's daughter and left Lian behind. Heartbroken, Lian was forced to marry General Han, the prince's greatest rival. But Han wasn't cruel. He loved Lian deeply, even knowing her heart belonged to another man. One night, the prince accused Han of betrayal. Han was executed at dawn. Before dying, he whispered to Lian, in another life, "I will love you first." Years later, in modern-day Shanghai, Lian wakes from a dream she cannot explain. She meets a stranger in the rain. He looks at her and softly says, "This time, you are mine before the world takes you away." And she realizes, love always finds its way back.